This is Jeremy with I Find Leaks, and we are here at 807 Alamanda Drive in Largo. Doing a sewer inspection, try to figure out why this line keeps backing up. We are just in the base of the stack right now, and you can see all of this debris in the line. That's all rust from the pipe sitting dry for so long. See some roaches in there. Something got on the screen here. I'm gonna keep pushing, see if it'll knock itself clear. If we hit some water, there we go. Flip this screen over so we can actually see the bottom side of the pipe on the bottom. This pipe has a ton of scale in it from sitting for so long. I'm going to go locate this. It looks like kitchen grease. About 50 feet in almost. We'll locate that and figure out how far the plumber went when he gets this stoppage cleared. Alright, so I'm going to see if I can keep pushing through this line and get out the other side of the house. See if we can find a good clean out over there. Alright, so there's the test tee. So it should come right out of the house there. Let's see if that looks like it's a hole in the bottom of the pipe or not. We're 85 feet here. I'm going to go find it in the yard. Alright, so we're halfway down the yard at this point. I'm going to pull back and find that test tee and mark that so a new clean out can be installed and this line can get jetted underneath the house. All that scale, rust, and debris needs to be dragged out of there. All of those things will cause backups. pulling through a bend here where it turns from the side of the house to go out front. And this is where I think that hole might be in the bottom side of the pipe. And there's the test tee where it comes out of the house. So I'm going to mark both of those spots. Alright, so I've got this spot marked on the ground where this looks like there's possibly a hole in the bottom side of the pipe. Got that test tee marked. That could possibly be another test tee. Regardless, either one of those is going to have to come out in order to get a good jet going here. As we come back through all of these pipes here, you see all the buildup along the sides of the pipes and across the bottom. Both sides there look pretty rough. Fortunately though, it looks like the bottom side of the pipe under the house appears to be intact. Fortunately, this is a nice straight run, not a bunch of twists and turns in it. You can see where paper and things are even clinging to the roof of the pipe. Closer we get back to this vent stack, you'll see how much debris is piled up in this line. Yeah, right around this corner. And that's just catching everything. Just big piles of rust. You'll see them as we come up the vent stack. You can just see it piled up down there. See that? That's just a huge pile of rust. We're coming up the vent stack now. So I would definitely suggest a good jetting. Thanks for watching.